Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, February 25th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. Another great day today. Not quite as great as I might have liked, but it was still pretty darn good. You know, today was a little bit like yesterday in the sense that things started out really good. During the middle of the day, things were really great, and then they kind of backed off a little, but it wasn't too bad. At one point today, I think we just one brief fleeting moment, our open trade equity got up to just over $30,000, and by the way, at that time the Dow was positive 30. So Dow was positive 30, we were positive $30,000. It backed off after that, ended up the Dow closing down 27, and so did, you know, our positions to a certain extent. Can't complain though. After everything was closed out, we actually had negative $4,202 in closed out trades. So we're negative on our closed out trades, but the good part is, drum roll, we are carrying $21,000 plus in open trade equity going into tomorrow, and that's basically because we got into three absolutely just fabulous trades today. I'll show you the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and you can see this is kind of strange. I have my infamous red line in here, and this was yesterday. You know, we actually, I think we were at record highs there, or at least very close to record highs. S&P 500 did exceed its record highs at that point. Then the market came back, as you know. This morning, again, I was predicting a lower opening. It was going to go up and take out its all-time highs. That is not what happened. It started out that way, made its lower opening, it took off, and it actually went into positive territory again, above my infamous red line of Dow resistance here. But again, it closed down below the line. Now, it's interesting to me that it did not take out its low from yesterday, or even the low where the market closed from yesterday, and this range was at least, you know, 50% of what the range was yesterday. I just saw this kind of some more kind of tight range, sideways action. This market's going to take off. I don't know. Maybe it'll do tomorrow. But this doesn't look to me like a market that's going to go down much further than where it is right now. So I am definitely looking at some upside action. I want to show you, actually I got three trades to show you today because they were just spectacular. Let's take a look at the first one here. Yeah, this is in BlackBerry. And, you know, we've had some fabulous trades in BlackBerry, but we got into this yesterday right at the close to the open, and we ended up closing pretty much marginally on this. Didn't look like anything great, but BlackBerry gaps up this morning and then takes off, and this looks just really, really good. And it held. Anyway, we are up over $5,000 in BlackBerry. The next one I'll show you, great trade. This is in PRTA, Prothena, and Prothena really surprised me today. We bought this yesterday. Again, it closed pretty much neutral, but it really made a nice climb today. Then it looks like it was going to pull back, and then look at this push right at the end. Anyway, we have over $5,000 in Prothena, and finally, the really big one here is Tesla Motors. And Tesla has just been such a great market for us. We bought this yesterday on this flat little action over here. Absolutely nothing going on here with Tesla at all. Again, we closed basically neutral, and look at this huge gap, just huge gap. Boom, 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 boom. When it was up here, we were up over $10,000 with Tesla. It did pull back we're holding $8,000 plus on that. Still not too shabby, and we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So anyway, those three markets was really what contributed to us carrying over $21,000 into tomorrow. Great day. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.